Well, about 200 people employed by the expanded public works program are accusing their employer of claiming COVID-19 relief funds from government but not paying them. The workers say the owner of the Mtititi drop-in center in the Malamulele area claimed relief funds in May, June and July, but never paid them. Their contracts have since come to an end. Let's get the very latest now and bring in our reporter Jabulani Baloyi, who is on the line for us. Jabulani, a very good morning to you. So the people that are claiming that this money was in fact claimed by the employer as part of this relief fund, do they have any evidence of such?
Good morning. The workers who have been employed at the Mtititi drop-in center say that the employer has claimed the temporary relief fund for them from the UIF, but however, instead of paying them the money did not reach their pockets or did not reach them. The workers have been sent to the Labour Department to make inquiries where they were shown proof of payment that the amounts have been paid to the manager of the Mtititi drop-in center, but unfortunately, the funds have not reached them. The money varies according to various months, because in the first month, they were supposed to get about 4,027 rand each of them. The second month, the payment should be 2,500, and the other month as well should be 2,500. But all these amounts, the workers have not received even a cent from their manager, and this has caused serious problems for them in their lives, because you will know that these are people in the most deep rural areas where getting employment in the form of APWP makes a very big difference to one's life. So if one can go for months without even that stipend or that payment, it becomes a very serious problem or challenge to their life.
The Mtititi drop-in center, tell us more about this.
Yes, these are the workers who have been employed in contract or temporary form to perform various duties, including cleaning the streets in the area, cleaning the schools, working at the drop-in center to assist with the day-to-day activities there, cleaning in the graveyards as well. So these are people who are supposed to be helping even in the community to some of the families who may be unable to do errands for themselves, maybe in families which are headed by kids or children, and those with the elderly people who cannot do things for themselves. So these people have been employed, or they were assisting this kind of people in the area. So the non-payment has caused them a lot of stress. They have been to and fro sent to the Department of Labour to make inquiries, but however, each time they say that when they approach their manager to assist them in this regard, or to give them explanation, they are rebuffed, they're not being turned back, they are being threatened with all sorts of things by the manager, who unfortunately does not even want to meet them or explain what has happened to their funds.
What sort of threats? What sort of threats? You say they've been threatened.
Yes, they're saying that the manager threatens them that she's going to open a case of intimidation or being threatened by these people, because they try to follow her to the drop-in center where they were based or where they were reporting, and even sometimes into a home. And this, as a result, she says it's threatening her life, and she will end up opening a police case against them.
So as it stands, they haven't been paid for 3 months, is that what you're saying? May, June and July?
Yes, exactly. They haven't been paid for all these past months since there's been a lockdown. They've also sent the script or the proof of payment that they were shown or they were given by the workers at the Labour Department in where they made the inquiries in Toyando, which indicates the amount which had been paid and for the months or the duration which was claimed.
So what's the way forward, Jabulani, for the workers? What's the next step?
You understand that these are people who are mostly based in the rural areas where there's still a challenge of lack information. But however, they've been informed that they can report this matter to the nearest Labour Department, where they've been making queries so that they can speak to the Labour inspectors who might want to look into the issue. We also understand that these kinds of problems, because this problem does not only concern these people or the ones at Mtititi only, there seems to be a widespread problem in this province where the temporary workers have their UIF temporary relief fund claimed on their behalf, but were never paid. It seems to be a widespread problem in this province. So these kind of people are urged to contact the Labour inspectors at the Labour Department so that it can be looked into.
Jabulani, stay on the story. Come back to us with any further developments. Appreciate your reporting there. Jabulani Baloyi, live for us.